Hello children, welcome back to your science class, and today we are going to discuss few activities related to matter in our surrounding. So activity number 1, take 100 ml of beaker and fill half the beaker with water and mark the level of water. Dissolve some salt or sugar with the help of glass rod. Observe any change in water level. What do you think has happened to the salt? Where does it disappear? Does the level of water change? So it's a very simple activity where you need to take a beaker, put some water in it, and then add salt or sugar crystals to it and stir it with the help of glass rod. So you will find that the salt particles, the sugar particles will disappear. So where they have disappeared? They have disappeared in between the liquid particles. Okay, this tells us that matter has some space between them. Let's see the next activity. Put an unlit incense stick in a corner of your class. How close you have to go near it so as to get its smell? Now light the incense stick. What happens? Do you get the smell sitting at a distance? Record your observation. So children, you need to perform this activity in two parts. Number 1, where you are not going to lit the incense stick, and number 2, where you are going to lit the incense stick. So in first condition, when the incense stick is not lighted, you have to go very close to it to smell it. But in case of second, where you light it, you will find that the particles will spread in the room. This tells us that particles of matter are continuously moving. Now let's come back to the third experiment, which is very simple. Take 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate and dissolve them in 100 ml of water. Take out approximately 10 ml of the solution and put it into 90 ml of clear water. Take out 10 ml of this solution and put in another 90 ml of clear water. Keep diluting the solution like this to 8 times. Is the water still colored? So here on the screen also you can see that there are 5 beakers kept, and in 5 beakers you can see that different color shades are seen. There is no condition that you will get a transparent solution again, because few particles of potassium permanganate will always be there while diluting it. Now children, let's discuss the last activity. Take 2 glasses beakers filled with water. Put a drop of blue or red ink slowly and carefully along the sides of the first beaker and honey in the same way in the second beaker. Leave them undisturbed in your house or in corner of the class. Record your observations. What do you observe immediately after adding the ink drop? What do you observe immediately after adding the drop of honey? How many hours of days does it take for the color of ink to spread evenly throughout the water? So here we have to compare two things. One is ink and another is honey. So in case of honey, it will spread little bit slowly, but in case of ink, it will spread very fast. So this was the conclusion. Children, I hope you have understood all the activities.